In this video, I am going to give you 10 key takeaways from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. 1. The difference between assets and liabilities. The book emphasizes the importance of understanding the distinction between assets and liabilities. Assets are things that generate income and put money in your pocket, such as real estate, stocks, or a business. Liabilities, on the other hand, are things that take money out of your pocket, like personal loans, car loans, or credit card debt. By focusing on acquiring assets and reducing liabilities, you can improve your financial situation. 2. Financial education is essential. Rich Dad, Poor Dad stresses the significance of financial education. It argues that traditional schooling often neglects teaching practical financial knowledge and leaves people ill-prepared to navigate the world of money. The book encourages readers to actively seek out financial education through books, seminars, mentors, and real-world experience. 3. Overcoming fear and taking risks. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of overcoming fear and taking calculated risks. Many people are held back by the fear of making mistakes or failing, but the book suggests that mistakes are valuable learning opportunities. By embracing risks and learning from failures, individuals can grow and improve their financial situation. 4. Make money work for you. The book encourages a shift in mindset from working for money to making money work for you. Instead of relying solely on earned income from a job, Kiyosaki advocates for building income-generating assets that can provide passive income and financial stability. 5. Your home is not always an asset. Kiyosaki challenges the conventional belief that a personal residence is always an asset. He argues that a home often generates expenses, such as mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs, making it a liability. While homeownership can have benefits, the book suggests focusing on acquiring income-producing assets alongside a home. 6. Strive for financial independence. Rich Dad, Poor Dad encourages readers to aim for financial independence. This means having enough passive income from assets to cover one's expenses. By reducing reliance on a paycheck and building a portfolio of income-generating assets, individuals can gain greater control over their financial lives. 7. Reduce unnecessary expenses. The book emphasizes the importance of reducing unnecessary expenses. By distinguishing between wants and needs, individuals can free up more money for saving, investing, and acquiring income-generating assets. Avoiding excessive consumerism and prioritizing financial goals can lead to greater financial freedom. 8. Avoid excessive consumerism. Kiyosaki warns against the trap of excessive consumerism. While it's tempting to indulge in material possessions, the book suggests focusing on building wealth rather than accumulating things. By aligning spending habits with long-term financial goals, individuals can make more informed choices about their purchases. 9. Continuously learn and expand your financial knowledge. Lifelong learning is essential for financial success. Rich Dad, Poor Dad encourages readers to expand their financial education by reading books, attending seminars, and seeking out mentors who can provide guidance and insights. By staying informed and adapting to changing financial landscapes, individuals can make better financial decisions. 10. Develop a mindset of wealth and abundance. The book emphasizes the importance of cultivating a mindset of wealth and abundance. By shifting from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance, individuals can become more open to opportunities and possibilities. Believing in one's ability to create wealth and adopting a positive attitude toward money can positively impact financial outcomes. These key takeaways highlight the core principles and lessons of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, guiding readers towards financial literacy, asset acquisition, risk-taking, and a mindset that fosters wealth creation and abundance. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and provide your valuable feedback in comments. Also, subscribe to my channel. This will help me reach out to more viewers.